So let me show you how to delete scheduled posts in your Instagram account. So go to Instagram and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. That should take you to your profile page. And then tap on the three-line button in the top right, and that should open settings and activity. Now, if you scroll down, you will see scheduled content. Tap on that, and this is where all your scheduled posts are going to be. So you can tap on any of the scheduled posts, have a look. You can see when this is scheduled to post. So to remove this one, just tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then select delete. And then confirm you want to delete by tapping on delete again. And that post will now be deleted from your schedule and it's never gonna be posted. Okay, so it's taking a minute, so I'll just hit the back button and now it's gone. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. And good luck.